Basecamp is wonderful. You know, it's a KISS method app. It's keep it simple, stupid.
Welcome to my crib. So here at GBD, we'll do anything from a custom desk in your home to a custom boutique hotel with all the furniture in it. Basecamp came to be through our good friend Chad.
Hi.
He wanted to use our space to shoot a commercial for Basecamp, and Chad said, hey, we should try Basecamp, and now we love it. We're hooked.
Basecamp is open 100% of the time during my days. If I need to pull up a build packet, it's already there ready to rock and roll.
It's the heartbeat of our company. I'm working on it every day, but really the person who's running the show is Candy.
Oh look, there she is. You use Basecamp now?
So I use Basecamp. When we sell a project, it takes things all the way through final installation. The card table is the thing that we utilize the most. It has each stage of our project within it. We do a card for each piece. We keep all of our basic information about the project in the core notes. We can also see all of the different conversations and changes that have happened. So if there's ever a question of why a choice was made to build something a certain way, we have record of it.
Is that your phone?
Yeah. This is Candy.
Fire averted?
Fire averted. A lot of my job is what I like to call juggling ice cream.
How do you juggle ice?
Kinda don't, but you have to go really fast before it melts.
If I think about how easy this was to learn, I literally opened it up and it was so user-friendly to the point where you don't have to have a crash course.
We have different departments that are all communicating, and Basecamp's the tool that brings it all together.
Everybody gets a Basecamp shirt. You get a shirt. You get a shirt. You get a shirt.
You want an honor pop?
Cheers.
Cheers.